Hello everyone, good afternoon. Today we came at Pune Ville at Punawale. So you can see this is a 2.5 BHK or small 3 BHK actual apartment of 933 square feet carpet area, and you can see this is the grand living cum dining hall of this project. It's a beautiful apartment of 3 bedroom with 2 toilets, and this is the grand living cum dining hall. And come this side. In front of you can see this is the balcony area attached with living cum dining, and this is the under construction buildings, towers, G plus 22, basement plus 22 buildings. So this is phase 3. In front of you this is phase 1, you can see, and behind that this is phase 2. So here we are having 3 phases. Currently we are only having availability on phase number 3 on under construction buildings. All phase 1 and phase 2 is sold out currently. And you can also see this is the clubhouse and the sales office. And now come this side. So we are moving again towards the living cum dining. This is the entry lobby, entry foyer. And this is the living cum dining hall. And now we are entering into the kitchen space. It's a square shaped kitchen space. The size of the kitchen is approximately 10 feet by 12 feet with L pattern countertop. And with this you can also have a dry balcony space attached. This is the dry balcony area which is covered from the top for your safety. And the dry area is about 10 feet long by 4 feet. You can see this actual apartment with this modular matte finish switches from Panasonic, black granite countertop, separate space for refrigerator, everything have been given. And you can also see the sliding doors which is also having mosquito net on that, and this is toughened glass on the balcony, and this is the grills which is within that window. And now come this side. So moving forward, this is the basin space area separately given, lovely basin space area. Moving forward, this is the lobby space. On my left hand side, this is the first bedroom, and the size of this first bedroom is approximately 10 feet by 10.5. It's a small bedroom but standard size. Just opposite to that, this is the common washroom space. Separate glass partition have been given for bath, wall mount commode, and the basin area. These are all Grohe fittings and Toto fittings. All are luxury brands. The builder have given every premium facilities and amenities in this project. And this is your second bedroom. And the second bedroom size is approximately again 11 feet by 10 feet. And the clear height is 10 feet. And this is the master bedroom, and the master bedroom size is approximately 12 feet by 11 feet. It's a rectangle shaped master bedroom with another veranda or open terrace in this side with toughened glass again, and the mosquito nets. And with this you will be having a dressing area also in that side and attached toilet space. So this is the dressing area. You can have your cupboard space over here, and this is the attached toilet space. And this side you can say it's a beautiful bedroom with having proper light and ventilation. And outside you can see our under construction towers. Now we are going outside again. So this is a 3 BHK small size. You can say that this is 2.5 BHK, but we can say 3 BHK small size with a carpet of 933 square feet. In a premium project, we are having podium plus 22 towers. Total 8 number of towers will be there in phase 3. Phase 1 and phase 2 is already handed over, and all the towers are having separate amenities and facility space, and we are given a separate building for multi-level car parkings. So this is a premium segment in Punawale. So if you are interested about this project, then please contact us, because we are running some exciting offers currently, and these offers are for very limited period, so stay tuned for further updates. And if you want to see more videos like this, then please subscribe our channel. We have already uploaded many videos, and we are coming up with many new videos also. So thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day. Goodbye, friends.